guys, what's up? It is me, TV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this slime with one ingredient, and you can blow it. Well, you can blow it, but let's try it again. You can't blow it. Well, it is so fun, and it is sticky, but it doesn't stick to your fingers. See, I've got nothing on it, and it's clear. One ingredient slime. So I'm just gonna put it down in here, and the things you will need will be, you can only use one of these, but I can use two. AA bubbles. So just gonna tear it open and push the goop out, and that's your slime. So sorry this was a short video, but thank you for watching. Thank you for watching and comment and subscribe. Bye bye.